What is going on, guys? It's your favourite entrepreneur, Graham David Holroyd here, coming to you live from my home office here in the United Kingdom. Now, today I have a very special guest. Well, a couple of guests actually, but the first one that I'm going to introduce is a gentleman called Walter Harrison. If you've not heard of Walter Harrison, he is a genius. He has created this app called Tapestry. Now, Tapestry basically is an app that you can download on your phone and potentially earn anywhere from $5 to $25 every single month just for having it installed on your phone. Now, I'm going to introduce Walter in just a second. He'll be with us in just a second. But you can potentially earn a lot more money from the Tapestry app, okay? So without further ado, Walter, please take it away.
Got it. So, what is Tapestry? So, Tapestry is a new app coming to your app store in the next week or so that pays consumers for the data they're already giving away. Our background specifically is in the mobility space. So, we've been doing this for about a decade, specifically working with apps, primarily dating apps, travel apps, maps and weather navigation apps that you've been using on your iOS phone or your Android phone forever. We worked with them to get anonymous data from those apps. Our job was to monetize that data and then pay them for it. So imagine a weather app, their core competency is showing you the local weather in your area. At the same time, they have to monetize that data somehow. Primarily, they're doing that with advertising. As you're just opening up the app, you're seeing ads. But they also, many of them work with third parties like ourselves to monetize that data. And we've been doing that for quite a while. But for doing this for close to a decade now, we clearly saw an opportunity where the consumer was really not considered in the value chain. They should have been at the very top, but they turned out to be at the very bottom. Most of this data was monetized without our knowledge. It was buried deep in a term of service or a privacy policy that no one really reads. And that's where we saw the opportunity with Tapestry. Going to the average consumer and saying, it's your data, you should get paid for it. So how does Tapestry work? We'll talk about that. But with any business, if you're going to go after something, you kind of have a problem. And the problem we see is kind of couple-fold. Many of you guys have seen this, but I'll kind of rehash it for those who are new. The problem we see currently is that the data that's on your phone and my phone, the social apps, the search apps, the dating apps, the maps and weathergation apps, monetize data without our knowledge or our awareness. You'll see on the right-hand side a couple of news clippings of how this actually works. So Facebook was launching a VPN app, which many of you guys use VPNs, that primarily was geared towards teens and that was monetizing their data. You see the government, the FTC, ordering Amazon and Facebook and even shopping companies to talk about what do you have on consumers. Even the government, it seems, doesn't even understand. You have the Social Dilemma documentary, which you have not seen, you should see. It's on Netflix right now, which talks about if you're using a free product today, whether it be a search product or a social product, and it's not costing you anything, then you are likely the product. We are the product. We're getting ads showed to us that things we maybe want, things we can't afford or we don't need right now, just constantly following us until we ultimately buy it or just give up. Then you had politicians pushing big tech to pay some type of dividend like Alaska has, right? Alaska has a natural resource in the form of oil. Everyone benefits from it. California has a lot of tech companies. Why isn't California benefiting from that? Ultimately, the big search and social companies lobbied against it and nothing really happened there. And that's the opportunity for Tapestry. We're going to go to the average consumer with a solution. That solution says it's your data, you should get paid for it. You can download an app that works passively in the background that monetizes the data that you're already giving away. So we're not looking for more information than a weather app, for example. Our core business is background location data. Also, you can share this app inside the app as a user and get paid extra just for referring the app. So we're going to go into detail to show you how it works. The consumer will eventually go to the Google Play Store, they go to the Apple App Store, download the app. We'll create an algorithmic earning score for that user. We'll show you that live demo today. And that goal is set for them. So you'll have the goal here and the monthly earning balance. So it's 3/4 of the month. So let's say, for example, that consumers earn $8. Their goal is to earn 12. Also, we're trying to be transparent with everyone using the app, how many events we've collected, how many points of interest this person has visited, and also their earnings, all transparently. This app is launching literally in less than a week. So as soon as we get that final approval, which we're expecting next week, this app goes live for all you who've been patiently waiting to download it. You can download the app for free, doesn't cost the user anything. But for those who are a bit entrepreneurial, like many of the affiliates who are on this call right now, they can earn more. So they can earn more than just that $1 for referring the app.
Awesome. Thank you very much for that, Walter. Really appreciate it. So now I'm going to introduce to you somebody called Dana Walker. So Dana, if you would please go through the entire compensation plan for Tapestry, just so we can show all the users that are watching this video right now exactly how they can earn money as an affiliate with Tapestry.
All right, everyone, thanks for being here. It's Friday. This is Danny Walker with Tapestry, and as Walter shared with you, the app is very simple to use. You download it, install on your phone, set up your account, and start earning for the data that you're currently giving away to pretty much every app on your phone already. The cool part is for the first time, you'll be able to not only know what your data is worth, but be able to see what is collected. And we wanted to be able to share and make it so that anybody else who shares the app can also create some passive residual income simply by telling their friends, referring their friends to also start earning on their data as well. So any personal referrals, whether it be 1 or 10 or 100 or 1,000, in the United States, you will earn every 30 days that the app is live on somebody's phone. If you were the one who invited them through your referral link, you will earn $1 commission every single month. So it's a recurring commission that is it's a free program, free app, free for you to participate and invite your friends. But for those of you who want to really increase your earnings and be able to earn on not only your personal referrals, but whoever they may turn around and tell about Tapestry, once they've installed the app, you'll earn on 2 tiers when you're an active affiliate. And all active affiliates do pay a $9.95 admin fee every month. But what we've done is anybody who wants to participate as an active affiliate starting now before the app launches, we have waived 12 months of affiliate fees. So you simply just activate for one time, $9.95, and then we waive the next 12 months fees. And that promotion will end the day the app goes live. So it's an excellent promotion to take advantage of. And as I said, what happens is you as a Tapestry affiliate, now not only do you earn on your data, you also earn on anybody you personally refer and anybody they tell about Tapestry as well. So 2 tiers. There are no limits on how many people you can share this app with and no limits on how many people they can share the app with. If you want to build a team, we also have the team builders bonus, which once you personally help 10 people become active affiliates, you're a super affiliate. And what happens then is in addition to getting paid for the data by installing the app and earning on tier 1 and 2, you also earn a 50% check match bonus on all of your tier 1 and tier 2 active affiliates, every single one of them, what they earn in affiliate commissions that month. You will earn a 50% matching bonus in addition to your own affiliate commissions. And we will have a super affiliate pool. Any orphans, anybody who comes to Tapestry, finds it in the app store and without a referral link, will go into that pool, and all those super affiliates will be divvied out those customers, Tapestry customers, every single month. So in this example here, you may have 10 personal affiliates. Some might have a few affiliates under them as well that they have shared Tapestry with that want to participate in the affiliate program. And you will earn a 50% check match on each affiliate on your tier 1 and each affiliate on your tier 2 every single month, in addition to the affiliate commissions that you earn on your personal referrals and those that they refer. In this example, this is just an earnings example. In the perfect world, let's say that you have your 10 affiliates who each earn $100 in affiliate commissions in a 30-day period. You would earn a $50 override bonus, super affiliate bonus on each one, which would be an extra $500 bonus in your pocket for that month. Ultimately, we're not making any income claims. There's no gotchas in this affiliate program. You can participate as much or as little as you like. We just wanted to be able to allow you to not only tap into earning on your own data, but also to help reward you because you're the one sharing Tapestry with the world. We're launching in the United States initially, and then Walter's going to talk a little bit more about that. But I just wanted to make sure that everybody understands the opportunity here where we have the Founders Club membership, which you want to participate in. And ultimately, we have really all been duped into giving away our data. And Tapestry aims to turn that around, take that data, put the power back in your pocket and put the money back in your pocket as well. So that you're no longer giving away all this data to big tech for free. You are now earning on the value you're creating. And Tapestry is about transparency, and we do not collect what all the other apps collect. And I'm gonna ask Walter to kind of share on that as well as he does I know you're gonna do the app demo and let people know, but we really just collect anonymous device location information. So where you carry your phone around in the world, that is the data that Tapestry taps into and pays.
Oh my God, Danny, thank you so much. That was amazing, it really was. So there you have it, guys, Tapestry app. There is a link just below this video. Go ahead, click on that link, get yourself registered to be an affiliate for Tapestry. Go ahead and click that link below to register, to literally have the app downloaded on your phone so you can start earning money with Tapestry as soon as it goes live. Now, you may already be watching this video and it's already gone live. That is fantastic. Go ahead and download the app today. On that note, my name is Graham David Holroyd. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Goodbye.